Welcome to our deep dive into the top 5 Python libraries for reinforcement learning. Today, you'll discover the essential tools to streamline your AI development and enhance your reinforcement learning skills. Reinforcement learning, a subset of machine learning, enables an agent to learn in an interactive environment by trial and error using feedback from its own actions and experiences. Unlike supervised learning, which involves learning from a training dataset, reinforcement learning learns directly from actions taken in a particular environment. Python has emerged as a preferred language for implementing RL due to its simplicity and the availability of powerful libraries. In this video, we will explore the top Python libraries that make reinforcement learning more accessible and efficient. These libraries are not only crucial for simplifying the implementation but also for pushing the boundaries of AI technology. Stay tuned as we delve into TensorFlow Agents, PyTorch, Stable Baselines3, Ray RLLib, and OpenAI Baselines, highlighting their unique features and capabilities.
TensorFlow Agents, or TF Agents, is an open-source library for reinforcement learning built on top of TensorFlow. Launched by Google, it provides a comprehensive set of tools that simplify the creation, training, and evaluation of RL algorithms. TF Agents leverages TensorFlow's powerful capabilities, offering flexibility and scalability. One of the standout features of TensorFlow Agents is its modularity. It allows developers to experiment with various RL components, such as policies, agents, and environments, independently or in combination. This modularity is a huge boon for both beginners looking to get started with RL and experts aiming to optimize complex algorithms. TensorFlow Agents also seamlessly integrates with TensorFlow's existing machine learning suite, facilitating the use of deep learning models within RL workflows. Use cases range from robotics to game AI, making TF Agents a versatile choice for various industries. Whether you're developing a simple cart pole environment or a complex autonomous driving system, TensorFlow Agents provides the tools needed to streamline your workflow and enhance your model's performance.
PyTorch, developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab, is renowned for its dynamic computation graph and intuitive interface, making it a popular choice for reinforcement learning. PyTorch's flexibility allows for rapid prototyping and experimentation, which is vital in the ever-evolving field of AI. One of its key features is its support for custom neural networks, which can be a game changer for developing sophisticated RL algorithms. PyTorch also has an extensive ecosystem of tools and libraries, such as Torch RL, that provide robust implementations of commonly used RL algorithms. Compared to TensorFlow Agents, PyTorch is often praised for its readability and ease of debugging, which can significantly reduce development time. Many real-world applications, such as autonomous vehicles and personalized recommendation systems, have successfully leveraged PyTorch's unique capabilities. The vibrant PyTorch community contributes to a wealth of tutorials, forums, and resources, making it easier for developers to overcome challenges and accelerate their learning journey.
Stable Baselines3, SB3, is a set of reliable implementations of reinforcement learning algorithms in PyTorch. Designed with simplicity in mind, SB3 is perfect for quick prototyping and testing of RL models. It offers a collection of popular algorithms, such as PPO, A2C, and DDPG, that are easy to use and integrate into various projects. One of the main advantages of SB3 is its straightforward API, which allows researchers and developers to focus on designing experiments rather than dealing with complex configurations. The library's lightweight nature and efficient performance make it an excellent choice for projects with tight deadlines or limited computational resources. The SB3 community is active and continuously working on improving the library, ensuring that users have access to the latest advancements in RL. Whether you're working on a research project or a commercial application, Stable Baselines3 provides the tools you need to rapidly develop and iterate on your ideas.
Ray RLLib is an open-source library built on top of Ray, designed to simplify the process of developing and deploying reinforcement learning algorithms at scale. One of the standout features of Ray RLLib is its support for distributed training, allowing developers to efficiently utilize multiple CPUs or GPUs to speed up the training process. This capability is particularly beneficial for large-scale projects that require significant computational power. Ray RLLib also integrates seamlessly with other tools in the Ray ecosystem, such as RayTune for hyperparameter tuning and RayServe for model serving, providing a comprehensive suite of tools for end-to-end ML development. The library's modular architecture and extensive documentation make it easy to implement and customize RL algorithms, making it a popular choice among researchers and industry professionals alike. With Ray RLLib, you can scale your reinforcement learning projects without compromising on performance or flexibility. OpenAI Baselines is a high-quality repository of reinforcement learning algorithms implemented in TensorFlow. Developed by OpenAI, this library aims to provide reliable and reproducible implementations of various RL algorithms, such as DQN, PPO, and TRPO. One of the key advantages of OpenAI Baselines is its focus on reproducibility, ensuring that researchers and developers can compare their results with existing benchmarks. The library's well-documented codebase and modular design make it easy to customize and experiment with different algorithms, facilitating innovation and discovery. OpenAI Baselines has been widely adopted in both academia and industry, with applications ranging from game AI to autonomous systems. The active community and extensive resources available online make it easier for developers to learn and implement advanced RL techniques, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. When choosing a reinforcement learning library, speed and ease of use are crucial factors to consider. Each of the libraries we've discussed offers unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. TensorFlow Agents and PyTorch are both powerful and flexible, but PyTorch is often praised for its intuitive interface and ease of debugging. Stable Baselines3 is ideal for quick prototyping, offering a simple API and efficient performance. Ray RLLib's distributed training capabilities make it a top choice for large-scale projects, while OpenAI Baselines provides reliable and reproducible implementations of key algorithms. Performance benchmarks and user experiences can provide valuable insights into each library's strengths and limitations, helping you make an informed decision. Ultimately, the right library for you will depend on your project's specific requirements, your familiarity with the tools, and your long-term goals in reinforcement learning. Selecting the right reinforcement learning library for your project involves careful consideration of various factors. Start by assessing your project's requirements, such as the complexity of the environment, the scale of the deployment, and the desired performance benchmarks. Consider the scalability and computational resources available, as well as the level of community support and documentation for each library. Balancing performance with ease of use is essential, especially if you're working with a team of developers with varying levels of expertise. Additionally, consider your long-term goals and future compatibility, as the field of reinforcement learning continues to evolve rapidly. By weighing these factors and leveraging the strengths of each library, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your project's objectives and sets you up for success in the ever-advancing world of AI. In conclusion, we've explored some of the top Python libraries for reinforcement learning, each offering unique features and benefits to enhance your AI development. From the modular and flexible TensorFlow agents to the intuitive and dynamic PyTorch, each library caters to different needs and preferences. Stable Baselines3 and Ray RLLib provide powerful tools for rapid prototyping and distributed training, while OpenAI Baselines offers reliable implementations for reproducible research. We encourage you to explore these libraries further and experiment with their capabilities to push the boundaries of what's possible in reinforcement learning. If you found this video helpful, please comment below with your experiences and any libraries you think should be on this list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful AI content. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.